I'm currently in between projects, painting, and while it's drying, I'm going to go on to the next project. I don't know how I'm going to make these videos, but anyhow, what we're going to work on next is installing more smart home items, and we're going to begin this time with the Ecobee 4. It's a thermostat with a built-in Amazon Echo into it. We're going to get rid of what we had, and we'll see how well we can get this to work. So let's get started. As always, cut the power first. Before installing Ecobee, I had to remove the existing thermostat. The wires connected to the old thermostat already had color-coded labels. Now that I confirmed all the wires are labeled properly, I simply disconnected all the wires. And here's my new Ecobee. This is so cool. The box includes the Ecobee itself, one room sensor, garbage, hi, back at you. Oh, the instructions, the ever-important thingamajig to connect wires to, the room sensor holder upper gadget, the screws and wall anchors, and the doohickey for the older ACs, which I don't need. Although the wires already had labels, I decided to add labels provided just to show that it was available. The box included an optional base plate to install. It can be used to hide damage on the wall caused from the previous thermostat. Then it was just a matter of inserting the proper wire in the corresponding slot. Then I turned the power back on and snapped the Ecobee into place. How polite. Hi again. Well, the bee got busy setting things up. I think we're done. Let's test it out. Alexa, set thermostat to 80.
The AC is set to 80.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What did the latter call the footstool? His stepbrother.
Alexa, play Michael Jackson.
Shuffling songs by Michael Jackson on Amazon Music.
And there you have it, another project. As I mentioned last week, this was something that I had a lot of fun with. I was actually pretty nervous about doing it because the instructions show that there are so many different types of AC heater units and so forth that use different types of colors, wires. So I didn't know what to expect, but the instructions were awesome. And fortunately, the people that installed the previous one, they had all the wires labeled, not only with the color, but there's a special code. If there's two different blue, there's two different type of blue coding that they use. And so there was already labels on there. And they match the same type of possible settings that work with the Ecobee. So all in all, for me, it worked out really well. Those of you that know that I'm colorblind know that I would normally struggle with something like that, but when it's coded, it makes things a lot easier. And the instructions were really amazingly simple. But as I keep saying, this is something just to show what I was able to do. I recommend if you're not comfortable with wires and electricity, hire an electrician. But for now, that's it with another project and another item off my to-do list, and got quite a few more to go from this point. But next week, I think we're going to show you what we did to the flooring of the house. It was a pretty big task. It was a lot of fun. Mrs. Poorman jumped in and made a big difference, and so we'll show you how that comes out next week. Until then, see you later.